Hello children, welcome to English class. So today we are going to revise all the ACDC words which we have done in class till now. So let's open our workbook, English workbook to page number 8. It says look at the picture and write the rhyming word. So you have to look the picture and write the word. Now the first one is the picture of a rat. Yes, so we will write rat. R A T rat. And the rhyming word for it is cat. Cat, cat. Now let's see the next one. This is a picture of a tag. So we will write T A G tag. And the rhyming word which they have given for tag is bag. So first one is tag and the rhyming word is bag. Now in the same way you would be looking at the picture and writing the word. Look at the picture and write the word. These words you have already learnt in your previous classes. Now let's move on to the page number 9. Here it says choose and write the correct rhyming words. So on the body of the turtle they have given few words. They have given the words and you need to find out the two rhyming words from here. So now the first one they have done for you, which is per and pan. So they have searched for two rhyming words, which is ma and man and ka and can, and this has been done for you. They have written it over here in the two blanks. Now the next one is bag bag. So we need to find the rhyming word of bag. So here this is the one and this is the another one. Okay, so let's write. The first one is R A G rag, and the next one is T A G tag. So we will write here T A G tag. Okay, so in the same way you would be doing the rest of this one. Now here this page number 7 is your homework. So you need to see the picture, read this word and then write it 3 times. They have written the words for you. So you have to see the picture, read the word and then write it 3 times. Like this you would be writing in the same formation. You need to follow how it has been done over here. Now after you have done this, you also need to make a small video of 1 or 2 minutes of your child reading the words which are given in this page number 7 of your workbook, and then you need to send it to your class teacher. Alright children, thank you.